Hey guys, Jay Moore here, the Healthy Accountant. All right, so part of what our specialty is here at Living Free Enterprises is that we know how to take your accounting, your bookkeeping, your payroll, your bill paying, everything that's going on in your business, and automate just about everything so that your business runs smooth. So think about it like this. All right, you're getting invoices in the mail. You're getting invoices by email. What are you doing with those? We have a system where we allow you to email those, fax those directly into a dedicated email provider, a dedicated fax number, where that information will then be basically entered into a system. Document is going to be what we call the start of the accounting process. I find that most small businesses do not do their accounting based on the bills that they're receiving. They're doing their accounting based on the checks that they make, based on the payments that they're making to the people that are providing them services and products. So look, if you want to know how good or how bad your business is really doing, you want everything to get in. You want every bill to go in. You want to know that, well, receipts will always get in because that's going to be caught through the bank account and through the credit card. We automate all that for you because we understand that you're a small business. You don't want to have to worry about filing. You don't want to have to worry about wondering what to do with your paper. You don't want to have to worry about if your financials are going to be accurate. See, that's the key. A lot of small businesses don't have accurate financials because all of the documentation is not being disseminated into the accounting department. Do you even have an accounting department? Maybe you've got a bookkeeper. And a lot of times bookkeepers are great. Bookkeepers aren't accountants. Bookkeepers may not understand everything that accountants do. Someone that's got a accounting degree, or someone that's even a CPA, even enrolled agents. A lot of times they understand the bookkeeping process a lot better because they understand the tax implications. So you want to have those documents a part of your financials so that when it's time to prove, or if you're audited, you want to say that, oh, well, if I click on, that $5,000 payment, I can get right to the invoice. I know what invoice it was. I know what contract it was. I know just what I did. All too many times, when companies are running their business, especially small businesses, mom and pops, I'm talking anywhere from, 100,000, look, all the way up to millions. A lot of times you're running your business on the fly because you're just in the business, you're working it, you're doing some good stuff. But your accounting, your bookkeeping, the streamlining of everything, every process is not being done. So look, what you want to do, and you can do this in house. You can do this yourself. You don't necessarily have to have us. That's if you understand the process. That's if you understand what tools to use, because the tools are available. All accounting related software, they are encoding artificial intelligence into them. So because they're encoding artificial intelligence into the software, that means the softwares are able to process a lot faster. It's not as manual. Back when I first was getting into accounting, I remember I had books. You know what I'm saying? I had ledgers. We learned on the ledger when I was in high school, because that was the first time I took an accounting course. We learned on the ledger. We learned how to write the debits and credits. Even when I was doing taxes, I had to learn how to do taxes without software. Look, I was right at the tail end of that because, that went away quickly because the technology age has come in and it's just swooped and just got into everything. So guys, you want to make sure you automate your books. Automate. You want to be able to touch a button every day to see what's going on. You want to be able to run a P&L every day, maybe at least once a week. It depends on how large your business is. Now, if your business is very small, and I say very small, is underneath 250,000. You're very small. It's probably just you. Maybe you've hired an assistant because you definitely need one. But maybe you probably don't have a full-time accountant, and you might even have a bookkeeper at this point. Now, here's Here's the thing about that. Because you may be spending $100, $125 for your bookkeeping, that may not necessarily be getting you exactly what you need. What I've learned is that when you spend small, that is saying that you probably need something a little bit bigger. But here's what I would say: if you're underneath 250,000, you need to do it yourself. You just need to be coached. You just need to be shown how to do it. So when you bring somebody in to do this work for you, you will know exactly what they're doing. It's not like an owner that doesn't know what's going on in their business. So you're the owner. You should know, so you should do it in the beginning. And then you outsource it, then you hire, and you let other experts come in because you can pay them now. That's the key. You want to be able to pay people the right amount of money. So guys, you want to automate everything about your bookkeeping, everything: accounts payable, payroll, all your banking and credit cards, your receipts, your documents. Depending on what kind of business you're in, you could be in real estate. You got to automate everything in your real estate process. There are softwares that work with the accounting so that everything ties through. Maybe you're a salon, maybe you're in construction, maybe it doesn't matter what business you're in. You want to have everything automated so there's a trail back to every single dollar and every single cent that came in and that went out. All right, guys, so if you got any value from this, definitely like on it, share on this, let other people know about the things that you're learning, the insights that you're getting into your accounting. I know most people don't like accounting, right? Most people just, oh, I hate accounting, I hate bookkeeping, but I bet you like the money coming in. So if you do, you got to love your bookkeeping, you got to love your accounting. All right, guys, God bless you. Take care.